How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I have a new installation on LEDs. This is Autoone LEDs. This is gonna be the 9005 for my high beams on the Honda Accord. These LEDs, they are 26 watt LED white bulbs. The color temperature is gonna be 6000 K. Plus the body material is aviation aluminum 6063. Let's see what we have. These LEDs came with an extra O-rings in case that you need them, but it has some included in the light, plus some extras, which is good. Plus it has a thank you card, and the warranty registration is right here. And like I told you before, the body design is aluminum 6063, but what I like about this, and I haven't seen any lights like these ones, it doesn't have cable, but the fan is connected to the body of the light. That is great. I haven't seen this design before, and it has the fan right there, which is neat. It's more compact design. In case that you need to run these ones where you have a cup on the back, compact design with fan, I never seen this before. This is my first time. Most of the lights that I seen is like this, and if they have fans like this one, it's gonna have a cable, which most of the time is not in the way. But this new design, it has the fan right there, and it's just like the original one. That's pretty good. I like that. Let's put it in the car. I'm gonna put it on the passenger side to see the difference between the regular and the new LED. Installation is really simple. We have the high beam right here. I don't know if you can see in there. You just disconnect the regular bulb, turn it, and get it out. Same process with this one. Put it the same way, lock it in place, grab the connector, put it in, make sure it's in place, and that's it. Okay guys, I remove the low beams. I just unplug the bulbs and I get them out of the way so we can have only the effect of the high beams. If you can see right there, only the high beams are on. Now with my light meter, I'm gonna check the lux and the light intensity of the LED, and then I'm gonna go to the regular one. So let's check first the LED for the high beam. Wow. So this is what we're getting from it, 9,608 lux. Now that's super bright, and obviously it's high beam, so that's the way it's supposed to be. Now let's check on the low beam. Let's see the light output from the regular bulb. Okay guys, we have 9,608 lux on the LED, and the temperature was 26.2 Celsius. That's kind of like the highest I found, 9,445. It was 96 on the LED and 94 on the regular bulb. It's still bright, but you get better visibility with the LEDs, and this is the proof. Pretty impressed with the numbers. I thought it was gonna be lower than that, but I guess those regular bulbs are bright, and this is the proof. Still, the LED is brighter than this one. Now let me put the other one on the driver's side. Installation is pretty much the same, so let's finish this. So link is gonna be in the description for this 9005 LEDs for the high beams if you have a Honda Accord. But they have many lights. You can check them on Amazon. I hope you like this little episode, guys. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one. Peace.